Tell you that Nevada lawmakers are staying very busy. This is now the second day of the special session. They're really trying to hammer out how to fill the state's $1.2 billion budget hole. In fact, that's about 25% of the state's entire budget. State agencies are expected to take a really big hit. Orko Manna joining us now live from Carson City with more on how Nevada's Medicaid system could be impacted. Orko?
Well, Denise, hundreds of millions of dollars could be cut from our state's healthcare system. The Nevada Assembly spent most of today talking to the Department of Health and Human Services about what exactly that would look like and how their budget will impact Nevadans. Now, around 700,000 low-income Nevadans rely on Medicaid when it comes to things like doctor's visits and prescriptions, so lawmakers say any large cut to funding is a hard pill to swallow. DHHS leaders telling the State Assembly today they're working on creative solutions to balance their budget. One option is a 6% rate reduction. That's how much the state pays the hospital or doctor when they treat a patient. The cut would save the state around $53 million. Another proposal is to eliminate what are labeled as quote-unquote optional programs under Medicaid, such as dental care, hospice care, and physical therapy. But lawmakers we spoke with say those programs are essential, and with federal matching dollars on the line, they want the national government to step in.
We need federal aid. We need the HEROES Act to be paid. We need that money to get into the states to make sure that people are taken care of. We're talking about the most vulnerable citizens who are going to need these services, and workers that are not going to have jobs in the future that are going to end up needing health care.
We will provide that because it is DHHS adds that they are also planning to put a cap on their caseloads. That means they won't be taking on new patients for things such as autism treatment, physical disabilities, and in-home support for the elderly. Now, as we mentioned, we are awaiting a press conference from Governor Sisolak around 6:30 tonight. We are actually right outside the building where that's scheduled to happen. We're going to head on inside and stay with 8 News Now for additional coverage. Reporting live from Carson City tonight, Orko Manna, 8 News Now.